Assalamu alaikum. In this video we are going to talk about simple present tense. Before we move on, I want to share learning outcomes with you. The learning outcome is that students will be able to use simple present tense in their writing and speaking. We'll start with the definition and uses. The definition is that simple present is a verb tense with two main uses. First of all, it tells us about the actions that are happening right now. And secondly, it tells us about those actions that happens regularly. And it is also called present indefinite tense. So whenever you are asked to write a sentence in simple present or present indefinite, they both are same things, right? Second thing we are going to discuss is that it is telling us about facts. For example, the sun rises from the east. This sentence is in simple present tense and this sentence is a fact, right? Third is habits. When we talk about habits, for example, I walk to school every day. So this is my habit that I walk to school every day, and we have to write this sentence in simple present form. And one more thing I have included here is that things that are generally true. See, what can we take as an example is that I am a girl. It's a true sentence and it is in simple present tense. All these things are categories of simple present tense, and we write sentences in simple present when generally these things are asked. Here we have defined the formula, or you can say structure, of simple present tense. First of all is assertive types of sentence, that means positive type sentences, in which we have to write subject first, then first form of the verb with s or es, and object. See, when we talk about simple present tense, one thing should be very clear, that your verb should be in first form. First form is the base form, or we call it present tense form as well. But whenever we are converting simple sentence into an interrogative sentence or a negative sentence, we have to write a helping verb. So in simple present tense we use does or do. See the interrogative formula: does or do with the subject, then first form of verb with object, and negative follows it: subject plus does not, do not, plus first form plus object. Now there's a asterisk on s or es. I have defined it as well. S or es is used with first form of verb when the subject is a singular noun. So what is a singular noun? Singular noun can be he, she, it, any name, one name like Ali, boy. So these are singular nouns, and we use first form of verb with s or es. That means if we are writing play, we will not write play, we will write place. He plays, right? Plays. You can see some of the examples over here. She likes tea. See, she is a singular noun, so we are writing s with verb's first form. She likes tea. And how we change it into interrogative sentence? Does she like tea? We have removed s because it is already used with the helping verb, right? Does. So we are not going to write s again with like. And the negative sentence follows is she does not like tea. Here is another example, and in this example we have used plural noun as a subject. We play cricket. We don't need to put s or es with the verb because the subject is not a singular noun. And whenever we are making plural nouns interrogative sentence, we do not have to use does, we use do. So interrogative is do we play football, and the negative sentence is we do not play football. So here we have a chart in which positive, negative and question sentences are given with different subjects. You can read it and you can see how it differentiates, where we are using do, where we are using does, where we are writing s or es with the verb, and where we are not writing. And I hope things are very clear now. Please follow the exercise, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a nice day.